Have you ever read a verse 100 times, and then suddenly, on the 101st time, it just clicks? It's like someone finally flipped a switch in a dark room. Psalm 119, verse 130 says, "The unfolding of your words gives light. It gives understanding to the simple." Welcome to Day 8 of Faith Foundations. Today, we're talking about the unfolding word and how that light actually enters our lives. The Bible uses the word unfolding or entrance. It suggests that God's word is like a letter that has to be opened to be read, or a door that has to be stepped through to see what's inside. When we talk about our theme, an ear that gives sight, this is the exact moment it happens. You hear the word, the unfolding, and the result is light, the sight. But notice who the verse says receives this. The simple. This isn't about being an expert or a scholar. It's about having a humble, listening ear. Light doesn't enter because we are smart. It enters because God's word is powerful and we are open to it. When the word unfolds, the shadows of confusion and doubt have to flee. Your Day 8 challenge is to wait for the unfolding. Pick one verse today. I suggest Psalm 119, 130. The unfolding of your words gives light. It gives understanding to the simple. Don't just read it once. Read it slowly, 5 times. Ask God, "Father, unfold this to me. Let the light in." Faith isn't about how much of the Bible you get through. It's about how much of the Bible gets through to you. Let the word open up in your heart today until you can finally see the truth of it. Once the light enters, everything changes. Thanks for joining me for Day 8. Tomorrow, we're going to use that light to start identifying the path, learning how to tell the difference between God's truth and the world's traditions. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. Let the light in, and I'll see you tomorrow.
You've read it once, you've read it twice, but are you ready for it to open? Day 8, let the light in. 100 times you've seen the lines upon the page. 100 times you've walked across the silent stage. But then the 101st, it finally starts to click, like a match that's finally struck against the wick. Psalm 119 says there's an entrance to the sound, a hidden treasure waiting just to be found. It's the unfolding word, that's how the light gets in. The breaking of the shadows where the truth begins. It's a letter being open. It's a door we're stepping through that's giving sight to something new. When the word unfolds, the darkness has to flee. The simple heart is finally learning how to see. You don't have to be a scholar or a brilliant mind. It's the humble and the simple who are sure to find. The power isn't in your strength or how much you know. The power's in the seed and the way it wants to grow. It's the moment of impact, the flipping of the switch. The word is making every simple spirit rich. It's not about how much of the book you can get through. It's about how much of the book can get through to you. Let it breathe, let it open up wide. Let the supernatural power flood the space inside. Ask the Father, unfold it, let the light reach the deep, while the rest of the world is still heavy in its sleep. It's the unfolding word, that's how the light gets in. The breaking of the shadows where the truth begins. It's a letter being open. It's a door we're stepping through that's giving sight to something new. When the word unfolds, the darkness has to flee. The simple heart is finally learning how to see. So here's the day challenge. Find a place to wait. Pick a single verse and let it open up the gate. Read it slow 5 times till the meaning starts to bloom, until the glory of the message fills the entire room. Wait for the unfolding, don't you quiet up to go. Learning truth magician in the afterglow. Yeah, let the light in.